Okay, I'll go ahead and go first. Can't. Oh.
All right. So what are you going to do? We're going to jog. We're going to slow through that line.
Okay, I'll eddy out and see how you're doing.
I don't know. Unless you want to do white versus
Paddle, don't trip.
Paddle it down here past me. Go ahead. Follow Kid and John Road.
Follow John.
Road. Right there. See the blue boat with the blue helmet? Follow it. We'll make it. I promise. If you don't, I'm behind you. I'll snatch you up.
Back paddle.
And paddle right down through there. Right with those tubers.
Okay. Hey, we got a newbie coming. Can y'all go?
Paddle. Straighten up. Paddle. But run into John Roach too.
I can't stop. You better go.
Okay. That's good. You slowed. Okay, let's go. Where are you going? Huh? Yeah. I did. Well, this is the low. Low of the low.
Why am I don't even know where I'm going here.
So now you know why it's called 100 Yard Dash, right? How'd you like it? Huh? Yeah. Well, this is the
And I also why am I
Should we go to Wayside or Sandy Beach?
Let's go over. We can go to the white one.
Okay.
And Lisa, what?
Okay. Yeah, those rocks I was mentioning are right there, and it's no longer slack, so go. Yeah.
Still fun at the low levels.
Yeah, so I turn it off or... Yeah, you'll know, interesting wave train there because you can see it's sucking water from the side into it. And the wave train is actually lower. So...
Yeah. No, that was fun. They still had that fork was still there, the left or right.
Yeah.
There was a nice drop going right.
Go around that way and come around behind the sledge so you can check out the little spots to practice enders.
Yeah. You did pretty good. You took the left side of the fork.
Yeah, I stopped to look at you a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, same here.
I got a good view of you.
Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, I went right to hit that ledge and then I crossed over to the left fork and, you know, merged with you. No, that's pretty good. You know, it's still really fun.
Yeah.
It's always fun. It's just good being out here. Taking it all in. All the beauty of God's creation.
That's where people used to go with slicey boats to practice enders.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, teacup.
But they do full bore enders. You know, like where you do a peel out, you lean back, and the boat is going vertical almost.
Oh.
So
yeah, almost like a stern
yeah, you
squirt.
could go to check it out, but I don't think you're ready for a full ender.